Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this TYS Beauty X Ipsy Lip Treat Peppermint Infused Lip Plumper. You'll never guess where I got this. I got this in my May 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag X box, which that unboxing video is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. And I'm so excited to try this out because I love trying out lip plumpers. I love to try and make my small lips look as big as possible without actually, getting lip injections. So this sounds awesome. It's peppermint infused. It also has ginger, which makes me a little nervous that this is going to really sting because I use another lip plumper that stings really badly and it has ginger in it. So this is a $30 lip plumper, which I find very expensive. And I love that this is vegan, cruelty-free, and made with all natural ingredients. So that is very cool. It's just in this kind of iridescent shade. I would love if this was like a tint or a color, but this also still looks very beautiful, wearable. And so I realized that my lips are kind of past that super dry stage. Now that we're not in those super cold winter months, my lips are finally a little bit more hydrated these days. I feel like for so long I've just been complaining about how dry and chapped my lips are and trying out so many different products, and I definitely could use some hydration on my lips, but they have drastically improved from how they were even just a few weeks ago. And I really do think it's based on the weather. It's crazy. But oh my gosh, this packaging is really beautiful. It's like very sleek that it's almost like kind of hard to open, but I got it. It has this doe foot applicator, but it also has a little bend in it. Oh, and it smells like really good peppermint, like sweet peppermint. Okay, I am ready to see how this is on my lips. Ooh, pretty shine. The applicator doesn't hold much product, so I feel like I want to apply even more just to get a little bit more of that sheen built up. Although it does already look smooth and moisturizing on the lips, but for the fun of it, let's add a little more. More of a thick gloss formula. A little bit of stickiness to it, but that never really bothers me if a lip gloss is sticky. Now I think the trick with the lip plumpers is you kind of gotta wait a little bit to let them work. So after putting it on immediately, I noticed like slight tingling, but we'll see if that gets worse. We'll see if my lips end up getting any bigger. I hope so, but not too high of expectations, just because I feel like lip plumpers never make a drastic difference on me. Okay, back after waiting a few minutes, maybe like 5 minutes or so, and the tingling has not gotten worse. It's like a slight tingling burning, but really nothing bad at all. And my lips don't look any bigger. They look smoothed out, like the lines in my lips are more plumped up, I guess. So my lips are very hydrated, which is great, but not like noticeably bigger. But I really like how my lips are looking and feeling. The glossiness is nice. It's not super high shine, but it adds to that enhanced moisturized lip look. So I think this is nice. $30 I do think is extremely expensive for this, because this effect I can get with very inexpensive lip glosses and lip plumpers. But I like this enough to keep it in my collection, keep using it, because I do like how it makes my lips look. But if you've tried this, let me know what your experience is with it as well. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.